This is Shure SM58. In my opinion, this is a very affordable, good build quality, and very great sound quality microphones. If you have a limited budget or you are new to recording the sound, I think this is the microphone that you should try. You probably notice that a lot of singers that when they're singing, recording, they are using this microphone. This is actually a stage microphone, means that you can hold it on the stage, or you just use a mic stand. You're standing there or sitting there just singing. The stage is very noisy, right? So it cut off a lot of noise. So the best part is just right here. When you're speaking to it, you have to just close to it. You get best sound quality. If you're just like a 6 inch away, the sound quality is not that good. Or if you're just 1 foot away, I don't think that you should use it. You'd better use a shotgun microphone. So when you can close to a microphone, you want a good sound quality. At the same time, cut off all the noise, like the fan, computer, my monitor, everything, or even the outside. So it can cut off a lot of background noise and give you very good sound quality. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.